Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete documents on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete the documents on your Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I have already opened the Terabox app over here. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface you can see the bunch of icons available for us. Just below the search bar over here there it says photos, videos and documents. Tap on the documents icon over here, and after opening your documents tab you will be landed over here where all of the documents which you had backed up on your Terabox app will be available over here. Now in order to delete a certain document on Terabox app, tap and hold on the document which you want to delete on the Terabox app until the blue tick mark at the right side appears. And after the blue tick mark at the right side of the document which you want to delete appears, you can see at the bottom of the screen a bunch of options available for us. Now in order to delete a document, tap on the delete button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and on this box again tap on the delete button over here, and then your document will be deleted and sent to the recycle bin, which will be permanently deleted after 10 days. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete documents on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.